welcome to StockRush, a complete system that gives you everything you need to create six-figure recurring income with over 5 million stock media images, videos, audios, vectors, illustrations, and more. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor for you to follow only 3 easy steps absolutely anyone can apply. Sounds good? Now let's do this. Step 1. Customize your agency website. StockRush 2.0 gives you all the tools you need to customize your own stock media website in just a few steps. What's more, you don't even need to build anything from scratch because your website comes already built into your account, so you only really need to personalize it. Let's click here so I can show you how, and you can start by clicking here to pick a theme that goes well with your vision of your ideal agency website. You can further personalize your agency website by coming back to this page and clicking here to upload your own agency logo. These are done-for-you agency websites that are sure to land you clients in record time, so that's a powerful plus of the powerful StockRush 2.0 system. Well, we're done with step 1. It was easy, right? Step 2. Add plans. You can use the stock media in your account for any of your projects and sell your stock media using your agency website as a portfolio to showcase the type of images and services you sell. But you can also add plans to give visitors the option to buy your images or media services right from your website in a few simple steps, making it easier for you to make daily income from your agency website visitors. All you have to do is click here, then here. Select your plan type, set your price, and save. No other platform lets you monetize a done-for-you agency website this easily, so StockRush 2.0 is your best bet. Well, we're done here, and your plan is live. Let's move into the next step. Step 3. Send traffic. No agency website is going to make you money without the right type of traffic, and that's why we have built a one-click solution that'll allow you to send free viral traffic across social media with a single click of your mouse. You just have to go to a media gallery in your account, pick a cool asset such as an image, click here, customize the social media post you'll use to promote your asset, select the social platforms you'll promote to, and to click here to share. Thanks to StockRush's inbuilt smart sharing tech, you'll be able to send massive traffic when sharing your stock media on any platform you choose. Guys, this is just the tip of the iceberg, because StockRush 2.0 offers you many more features you can monetize, including 5 million stock images, videos, audio files, vector images, illustrations, GIFs, and stickers you can use for your own projects and sell. An easy-to-use background removal tool you can use to remove the background from any image in a matter of seconds. The ability to upload and sell your own files, to set your own payment methods, and connect your own autoresponders. Lots more awesome stuff inside StockRush 2.0, but I can't show them all in this video. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking for the world's best stock media platform, then try StockRush 2.0 today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.